Supermen and fictional characters may defend our world against aliens. But do you know who protects our body against deadly pathogens? Our body has its own army to defend itself. And this incredible army is known as immune system. Let's see how it works.
Our immune system is the most incredible system of our body. It is basically divided into two types: the innate response, which can attack any pathogen, and the adaptive response, which attacks only specific type of pathogen. Innate response is divided into two types: epithelial barriers and phagocytic cells. A pathogen first has to defeat epithelial barriers such as skin, mucous membranes, stomach acids, etc. In this combat, sharp tools such as a nail pierces through the skin, creating passage for antigens to penetrate into the body. When antigens are successful in getting through the physical barriers, they are confronted by the second line of defense, namely phagocytes. These are very fast and attacks any foreign body irrelevant of its identity. Macrophages, dendritic cells, neutrophils are some of the phagocytes. Neutrophils are the first ones to reach, but also the first ones to die. Macrophages and dendritic cells can fight for a longer time. They swallow up the enemy alive, breaks it into pieces, and presents the broken pieces proudly on its cell wall. When things really get out of hand, the phagocytes, through chemical messengers, unlocks the adaptive system, which consists of two parts: humoral immunity, led by B cells, and cellular defenses, led by T cells. B cells, with the help of its receptors, binds with an antigen, gets activated and multiplies rapidly. These cells on activation releases thousands of antibodies which traps a particular type of pathogen and prevents it from entering into the cells, and also marks it for death by macrophages. On the other hand, T cells gets activated by binding with dendritic cells, which contains dead and broken pieces of the pathogen on their cell wall, and then multiplies. T cells constantly patrols our body in search of infected or cancerous cells, and if found, they kill it before spreading. B and T cells can attack only those pathogens who had activated them in the first place. Special B and T memory cells saves pathogens information in case of any future invasions. So, if the pathogen attacks again, our immune will be prepared to defend the body in advance.
And so, immune system keeps on advancing as it deals with different types of pathogens. Hence, you might have observed that an adult falls ill less frequently when compared to a 5-year-old child. Without immune system, complex life we know of would cease to exist. This was immune system in a nutshell. Thank you.